So why are you wondering if you're the a-hole?
Because I told my husband he needs to fix his snoring. I said, you got to do something about it, or I'm not sleeping in the same room. This is a deal breaker. Am I an a-hole for saying fix it or else?
I mean, that's a good question. 800-409-9393. You could text in at 97720, 800-409-9393. So it's just pretty simple, right, Michelle? Like, he's snoring. I don't want him to snore anymore. What was the decision you made then? So you just told him you can't sleep in the same bed as me, or you told him, hey, if you don't fix it?
Yeah, I was like, first of all, if you don't do something about it, we're not sleeping in the same room.